So can you also just at a super high level, clearly it sounds like it's private market focused. What is the elevator pitch for Yieldstreet and what are some of the investment opportunities people can find on the platform today?
So simply put, Jill Street lets you invest in private markets. What does that mean? That means anything outside the public markets, outside stocks and bonds. So in alternative investments and all private market investments. How should someone think about what alternative investments really mean? So for us, think of five big food groups: private equity, credit, private credit, real assets that includes real estate, art, transportation, venture capital, and crypto. So those are big five food groups. And generally, why people come to Yield Street is you either want to generate income, passive income, and that would come from private credit or debt-based offering, or you want to have capital appreciation. So when you invest in real estate, you have equity in your real estate. In 5 years, when the real estate goes up, you would take benefit of that equity, which is exactly why we buy homes and hope that over a period of time the homes go up. That's why people buy second houses with the same expectation of generating income as well as capital appreciation. So we help you do that at scale. And generally, there are two ways to invest on Yield Street. You can go into a direct investment, single offering, which is, let's say, a real estate apartment in Nashville, 300-unit apartment, and that's one investment you can go to. Or you could invest in thematic funds, and the funds are, you know, private equity funds or venture capital funds or a crypto fund, and you could get diversified access to those funds. So that, in a nutshell, is what Yield Street helps you do. Now, the most important thing, going back to my motivations about starting a company, is you can do this at minimums that are much more palatable. So you could invest as low as $500 or $1,000, but go as high as $500,000 if you choose to do that. And I think that is very, very important. And then the other thing is the biggest challenge, and I'm sure we're going to talk about this, is people are obsessed with liquidity. And so what Yield Street has done is we have designed products that are as short as 3 months, but they're also as traditional as 10 years. And you want various ways in which you can build a rolling portfolio, because not 100% of your assets or money should be liquid. And so we help people think through, like, hey, what does the liquidity profile look like for you, and what are your needs? And based on that, you have different products and access to different products.